Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing a Renault Arkana XJL taillight and we will also show you how to remove and replace the bulbs. When you open the tailgate, on either side, they're both the same, there'll be a little cover. Once you remove the cover with the 8mm, there is a nut, just one. And once you remove this nut, what's left is it's held on by locators, which we will use a plastic tool. We do not want to use a flathead metal screwdriver because it could crack the lens or damage the body of the vehicle. This part might require a bit more patience because it can get stuck sometimes, but with a little effort it will come out and then we will unplug. If you did find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Changing the bulbs is very simple. On each bulb holder, turn it anti-clockwise or to the left and then pull out, and then you will have access to the bulb. Push in and turn it anti-clockwise and then replace the bulb, and it's the same thing with the other bulb on this tail light. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.